This chin chin is perfectly golden, soft, crunchy, and addictively good. And I'll show you how to get it just right. Hi friends, I'm Funke. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making one of Nigeria's favorite snacks, crunchy and delicious chin chin. If you enjoy Nigerian snacks and recipes, tap the like button and subscribe. Let's get started. For our ingredients, we're going to use all-purpose flour, powdered milk, evaporated milk, sugar, melted butter or margarine, egg, nutmeg, baking powder, and salt. I'll make sure to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. To start, you're going to sift your flour into a bowl. This is important for pastries. Into another bowl, you're going to add milk and crack some eggs. If you're using flavor, you can add as well. Mix this thoroughly by whisking, then set aside. Into the bowl that has flour, you're going to add all the dry ingredients. That's the baking powder, salt, nutmeg, sugar, and powdered milk. Mix this together using a spatula. Then pour the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients. You're then going to mix this thoroughly using your hands. Once a dough is formed, transfer onto a clean surface and continue to mix till it is smooth and you get a soft, non-sticky dough. Rest the dough for a few minutes. Then you're going to divide the dough if it's too big and roll each with a rolling pin. If the dough is sticky, you can add a sprinkle of flour. Just make sure you roll very well. The dough should not be too thick and it shouldn't be too thin. You can go for small size for crunchier chin chin or medium size for softness inside. Once that is done, you're going to then proceed to shaping to your desired shape. I use a pizza cutter to cut mine. Just cut horizontally and vertically. You can use a knife for this as well. When you are done cutting, sprinkle a bit of flour and use your hands to separate the chin chin if they are still stuck together. Don't forget to sprinkle more flour before transferring into pan. time to fry. You're going to fry your chin chin in hot oil on medium heat. Please don't overcrowd the pan. This helps them cook evenly. You can fry them in batches. Fry until you achieve your desired color. I like mine golden brown. Once your chin chin is well fried, take them out of the pan and drain on paper towels and allow to cool. They will get crunchier as they cool. Look at that. Golden, crunchy, and so delicious. This chin chin is perfect for snacking, gifting, or even selling. Go ahead and store them in airtight containers. This can go weeks and even months. Well, that's if you're not going to finish them in a day anyway, because trust me, these are very, very addictive. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Drop your comments and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious Nigerian recipes every week. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.